You are going to love the 2018 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.